Tesla Surfboard. Tesla offers a range of products from gear like hats and shirts to energy generation and storage units to, of course, electric cars. But what most people don't know is that you can also get a Tesla surfboard. Matt Biolos is a famous surfer and founder of Lost Surfboards. He helped Elon create the Tesla Surfboard using his Mayhen approach. As a surfboard shaper from San Clemente, California, he was an ideal candidate to help conceive the design, shape, and unique approach of the board. The board used the same high-quality matte and gloss finishes that it uses on its cars. The deck, per Biolos advice, was reinforced with lightweight black dart carbon fiber. The whole thing is inspired by the Tesla car. It's black on one side and Tesla red on the other. Biolos was quoted as saying that the board is a contemporary shortboard scaled up and refined for performance. Tesla released their surfboard quietly and it almost immediately sold out. The price on it was $1,500 USD. Oh, and that does not include the fins. This price is anywhere from 3-10 times the average price of a surfboard. Critics were just as loud as fans when the surfboard announced, calling it dumb and pointless. However, it seems to have sold just fine. Tesla Surfboard. What to know? The board was developed in collaboration with Tesla's design studio in Hawthorne, California. The team worked with Lost Surfboards and Mayhen Biolos, a surfboard shaper that's worked with World Surf League Championship athletes. It uses Lost's signature black dart carbon fiber that was inspired by the interior in Tesla's cars, plus a 1.5-pound stringer-less EPS core. A bio-based epoxy resin wraps around. The product may have debuted over the weekend, but one report suggests it's been in the works for a while. Alexander Harrow, senior editor for surfing website The Intertaya, claims he encountered a surfboard in the range while he was out surfing a long time ago. Why did Tesla make a surfboard? There is no doubt that Elon Musk is a genius, always trying to innovate from his electric cars to space program. He sure is an ambitious man. It was even more surprising when his electric car company, Tesla, announced that they will sell a surfboard worth $1,500. Tesla surfboard specifications. Tesla released its branded surfboard in the summer of 2018. It is designed by the in-house design studio that collaborated with Lost Surfboards and Mayhen Biolos. Also, this surfboard from Tesla shares a finish with its electric cars. It features a top that is reinforced with carbon fiber. Because of its design features, the Tesla Surfboard is perfectly compatible with Model S, Model X, and Model 3 Tesla electric cars. Of course, you can see the Tesla company logo on the top and bottom of the surfboard. Sadly, only 200 of these were manufactured, and you can't even buy them for an original price tag anymore. If you are by any means looking for one, you can probably find a few on eBay, where you can expect to pay anywhere between $2,000 and $5,000. Bit much. We agree. Why did Tesla make an actual surfboard? Now that you know about the features of this surfboard, you are probably thinking, why? Well, Elon Musk doesn't do something for no reason. So, there is a legitimate reason behind the launch of the Tesla surfboard. Let's get some context about the situation of Tesla in 2018 first. When Elon Musk announces even the most irrational thing, the whole public goes nuts. That was the case with the Boring Company, and they're not a flamethrower. For such an irregular product, coming from a guy who made electric cars mainstream, it generated a lot of heat in both the media and on the internet. This model worked with the Boring Company pretty well, especially to generating much-needed publicity. Throughout 2018, Tesla faced a lot of criticism and negative press. Even though their production reached new highs, the company couldn't escape the criticism for their Fremont production plant. Lots of marketing analysts claim that launching Tesla surfboards was a pure marketing tool. It was a device to boost the brand recognition of Tesla and a way to take the focus away from the production problems at their main production plant. These branded surfboards definitely got more people to talk about Tesla, therefore transferring the focus from the production hell problems at the Fremont plant. Of course, collectors were delighted to see the launch of these surfboards, mostly for their limited and premium status. After all, just 200 of these were manufactured. So these surfboards weren't geared primarily to the surfing enthusiasts who want to hit the waves. This marketing tool was a success, but was just a temporary distraction. The Surfboard is a limited edition, company-branded board that uses the same matte and gloss finishes as found on its electric cars. Unlike the T Model 3, though, the Surfboard ditches the battery packs in favor of tidal power acceleration, although it still produces zero emissions. Built in collaboration with Lost Surfboards and world-renowned shaper Mayhen Biolos, the Tesla Surfboard is made to carve the surf like their cars carve the pavement. It's made with a mixture of the same matte and gloss finishes used on their cars and is reinforced with black dart carbon fiber. Limited to just 200 examples, it will fit in the Model S, Model X, and Model 3. Tesla launches a $1,500 surfboard. Tesla made a few waves, by quietly launching a very limited edition surfboard. It cost $1,500. Only 200 have been produced, and unsurprisingly, it sold out almost immediately. As Electrek reports, the surfboard was designed by the Tesla Design Studio with the input of Lost Surfboards and Mayhen Biolos, who has been sanding and shaping boards since leaving high school in 1987. The top is black and the underside red, with both sides carrying Tesla branding. Tesla designed the board to use the same high-quality matte and gloss finishes you find on the company's cars. The top, the deck, is covered in black dart lightweight carbon fiber, and Tesla car owners will be pleased to hear the surfboard fits inside the Model 3, S, and X. Of course, it will only fit if you manage to buy one, as Tesla only decided to make 200 of the custom-made boards. They inevitably sold out very quickly. Even those who were lucky enough to buy one will have to wait up to 10 weeks before their board gets delivered. One final disappointment: the fins you see on the bottom of the board aren't actually included with the board. Tesla may be best known for its electric vehicles, batteries, and green energy generation projects, but the company also offers a growing range of lifestyle products and apparel. Men's, women's, and children's clothes and hats are offered alongside scale models of Tesla's cars, leather items, drinkware, tech, and sports goods, which the surfboard falls under. One of Tesla's best-selling lifestyle products is a $600 battery-powered Tesla Model S for kids.